I wanted to update you guys on the newest product that I'm currently obsessed with. I'll be showing you guys like literally everything in this video. I've been wanting to change my nail color, but I don't have time to go to the nail salon. I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to get my nails done with different nail techs that would do like the decked out nails. Speaking of which, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Jessica's Nails, who actually put me on to this company. She did a few of my sets and she does really decked out nails with a lot of Swarovskis. I also would go to Nails by Eulogy, Nails Eulogy. You guys should check her out as well. She also does intense ass nails and I love them. I wish I could go back to them to get my nails done. It's not that I don't want to, it's just right now I'm working on so many projects for you guys that I just don't have time to go get my nails done, and it sucks because I miss having decked out nails like this. These types of sets take about, you gotta have at least 4 hours of your time if you're doing a brand new set. It depends because I break my nails all the time. So I went ahead and hit up Bio Seaweed and they sent me a bunch of their products. I'm gonna go ahead and get into talking about the product because this is literally the best gel nail polish you will ever purchase in your life. The first time I got my nails done was for my 6th grade promotion, so I think I was like 12, because I used to always watch my mom get her nails done and I always wanted to get my nails done too, because I don't know, I just felt like that was the thing to do when you're a girl. The thing about getting your nails done is that nail sets are very expensive. If you want a hella decked out nail set like with the nail techs that do the really nice nails, since it's a lot of time and it's a lot of effort, it's a lot of shaping, it's a lot of sculpting, it's a lot of like designing, you got to do the Swarovski crystals. Those types of sets tend to go all the way up to $100, maybe even more. So those types of sets are pricey, and what sucks is that there's only a handful of nail techs that are really good, and they typically work on like celebrities. The sick ass thing about this nail polish is that it is an all-in-one, so you don't need no base coat and you don't need no top coat. This nail color, this company just in general has one of the most pigmented colors that you will ever encounter. For one, because you only need one coat. Like, let me show you how opaque this color is. Like, it is very opaque, and this is the color that I'm actually going to be doing on my nails today, because I want to show you how you can prep the nails, because I have on gel right now. This gel isn't the Bio Seaweed, because Bio Seaweed hadn't sent me like a bunch of colors, but now I have a whole bunch of colors to choose from. When they sent me the package, they also sent me a paper that has all of the colors that they do own. This is a 3-step. So when you guys go on the website to purchase, there is 2 different types of nail polishes. The one that I am talking about is the Unity all-in-one. So please take that into consideration, because the 3-step, you do need the base and the top coat, and we don't have time for that, okay? We just don't. The Unity all-in-one is a 1-step color, which means you don't need a base coat and you don't need a top coat. And you know, after when you do the gel manicures like at the nail salons, como te queda sticky after, and they have to spray it with alcohol and then they rub it off, there is no sticky residue at all with this product. And also, if you guys don't spend on the U-Light Pro, you guys can cure this nail polish with the sun. So it says that if you stand in the sun for 30 seconds, it says solar 30 seconds, it cures. I personally haven't tried it yet because they sent me over the UV light, but that's fucking dope. Like, if you don't buy the actual light, you're still able to do your nails. I've never seen another nail polish that is able to do that. And a lot of you guys were asking what color it is that I'm wearing. It was actually from a nail salon that I go right here by my house, so I don't know the exact name of the nail color. The company that I just started working with, I worked really hard to get a coupon code for you guys. Like, I was not going to put up this company without getting a coupon code, because I know these nail polishes are on the pricier side, but this is a gel nail polish. I've tried to use gel nail polish before, because when I used to work at Sally's, I would always see the lights and then we would sell the gel polish, and they were expensive. I'm talking like little ass polishes like this for like $15. This file that I'm using, one of the nail techs that came to do my nails actually gave it to me, so I don't know exactly what level it is. This is actually really easy for me right now. If you guys have on acrylic nails, I would not recommend for you guys to soak off the gel, because if you soak off your nails, the nails are going to deteriorate, which is why you have to use the filing method, which is cool because it's clearly easier than using a you know those little machines, what are those called? Like, you know, where they're like, I can't remember what it's called, but you guys know what I'm talking about, because I don't know how to use those. I am actually in the process of trying to learn how to bedazzle nails, and Bio Seaweed actually sent me over a builder gel, which comes in a container like this. Jessica's Nails, who actually introduced me to the company, she would use that when she would do the clusters of diamonds and all of the gems she would use, and those would not come off. So this is also a product that you have to cure with the light if you do decide to use it. But as I am learning, I'm going to be teaching you guys, because I know sometimes it's a struggle to be able to leave the house to get your nails done, or you can actually do this on your time off when your kids are asleep. Or if you don't get acrylics, this is even better, because if you don't use acrylics, you can just change up your nail color with this, and it's like getting a gel manicure but at home. I did mention it in one of my Insta stories, and a lot of you guys have purchased it, so I want to know what your experience is since you've purchased them, because I'm going to start doing tutorials on how to do them, so that way if you guys are confused, because this is not a regular nail polish, and these colors will last you 2 weeks if not longer, just depending on how often you switch up your nail color. You have to make sure you're using a really coarse file, so that way it's easier for you to get it done. I don't know if I've completely taken off everything, but it was literally like a semen color. So even if I still have some gel polish left over, it's not too dark to where this color won't cover it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and buff my nails with the gel buffer. Bio Seaweed actually sent me these, so you guys can purchase this on the website. I would totally recommend for you guys to get these, because this is what's going to help buff your nails to make it really smooth, so that way when you put on the color, there's no bumps or anything like that. Okay, so this is called the Ulight Pro, and it comes with 3 different settings. It comes with 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 60 seconds. This UV light is motion censored, so as soon as you put your hand in, the light turns on. I'm gonna be using this color called Mint, and it is the number 190. It is slightly thicker than a normal nail polish, so it literally feels like the polish is old. Like, you know when polishes like start to get dry? So I always start at the back of the nail and then just swipe upward. If the polish application isn't perfect, don't worry, because the second coat is going to perfect everything all at once. So I'm gonna cure this finger so you guys are able to see how fast it cures. And it's literally very fucking simple. And what's cool is that you don't need a base coat, so it just makes my life so much easier. Oh my god, I'm literally so scared to touch it because it's a fucking trip. Like, look. It's already cured, and I put 45 seconds and that shit is completely dry. Now, I would recommend for you guys to do a thin layer the first time around, because if you do a super duper thick layer, it tends to like come off on the sides. So just kind of keep that in mind as well. And a lot of you guys were asking me like, hey, what was the name of that nail polish company that you were talking about? But there are just so many messages that I can't get back to all of them, which is why I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna film a video, because people actually want to see how the product looks. So I do have it at 45 seconds. You guys can put it at 60 seconds if you want to make sure that it's completely drying. My nails are officially cured. Isn't this insane? Like, you legit don't even need a top coat. Like, this looks like you have a top coat on already. Like, if you are super in a hurry, you can leave your house like this. It looks pretty intense, the color already. I'm just gonna do one more coat so you guys can see, and then I'm gonna do this hand off camera. And they're red. Oh my god, you guys, their red is so bomb. Okay, I think that should be good. See? Look at this. Is so unreal. It's so simple that a pendeja could do it, and it's so simple that señoras and abuelitas can do it, because I'm already good to go. I was kind of confused on how to shop. This is what the website looks like on the iPhone. It brings you here, right? And then when you click these 3 bars right here on the left, it's gonna say home, surprise bag, are you a professional, and USA catalog. So you're gonna go ahead and click the USA catalog after you press these little 3 lines right here, and from there you'll be able to see the product option. So you're gonna go ahead and click that. And then from there, it'll list all products, the Unity all-in-one color gel polish, which is the one that I featured today. So that's where you're going to click to be able to see all of the colors. They have 3 whole pages of all of the nail polish colors. And you can also check out the buffers and the little cups that I showed you, and the lamp when you press USA catalog products. And then you go onto the lamp option, and then from there it'll show you all of the lamps that they have. And the lamp that I'm using right now is this one, and it is $100. So it is the 3 setting 48 watt UV LED light. You guys can use my coupon code Jenny69. You guys are able to save 10% off of your whole purchase. I'm just so excited for you guys to try it because I swear this product is the shit. So this is my little Bio Seaweed acrylic paste that we have going here. So right here I have all of my brushes. These are the brushes that you can use for sculpting. There's a liner one. And then I have all of the Bio Seaweed gel files. These are good for filing off the nail polish and then just filing nails overall. And then right here I have some Swarovski diamonds. I'm gonna show you guys the colors that I have. I have Blew Me Away, Diamond VIP, Twinkle. I have yet to try the sparkly ones. I'm excited to try that one, but I was just really eager to try the one that I'm wearing right now. We have Teacups, which is super pretty. It's like a pastel purple. Charlotte Town, and that's like a baby pink. We have Snow White, which is super cute. I love seeing girls that have white nail polish, especially on their toes. We have Blew Me Away, Toffee, and they mentioned that Toffee is one of the top selling colors because it's a very neutral color, but it's like a mauvey pink, so it looks good on all skin tones. We have Sweet Tart, Melon Coral, perfect for the summer. We have Orange You Glad. We have Toronto, Pink Aboo, Black Magic, Very Berry, Lemonade Freeze, which is a bright yellow, Edmonton, Prize Every Time, and Highlight. And they also sent me a top coat, and the top coat is a no wipe top coat, so even if you just have the extra time to just add the extra top coat, you don't have to wipe off as well. And then down here, oh mira, I do have the reds. These are bomb. These are for sure the gel buffers, which I do totally recommend that you guys get. They're really, really high quality because I've been using this same one for a while and it still works. So she's still going strong. I'm just really obsessed with this product. I feel like I'm never gonna go back to normal nail polish anymore, and I don't gotta pay extra. I don't gotta tip nobody else, because you know, it's like when you spend to get your nails done, you still gotta incorporate the tip because they be talking shit about you if you don't leave a tip, and they be getting cute. Like they don't want no $1 or $2 tip. They want like $5, $10. It's just been making my life easier, and I think people are gonna get their money's worth. The polishes retail on the website for $18 each, and I know that sounds like a lot for a nail polish because, you know, I would only pay like $1 for a nail polish, but this is not a normal nail polish. This is a gel nail polish, and you're only gonna have to use it once every 3 weeks. I would say 2 weeks if you really wanted to change your nail color, but this will last you for a month, maybe even longer. When I did Emmanuel's 2 nails, because I did his 2 nails like as a sample, that was like 2 months ago, no?
That was a month ago.
Like a month ago, and the nail polish is still intact. Let me see. His nail polish is still intact, you guys. He was wearing the color Toffee. It just turned a little bit brown because, I don't know, it just gets dirty, but it's still on there. So you guys definitely get your money's worth. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to go take my baby to his cousin's house because he likes to play with his cousin baby Bella, and she loves him. Like she calls him Moni instead of Manny, and Patty says that she calls him that because she's paisa. She doesn't know English, so she just knows Spanish. Hey, are you at home?